Hey, there's something I need to tell you.
What is it? You seem really serious.
I I think I'm falling for you. I can't get you out of my mind, and it's been driving me crazy.
Oh, that's unexpected. I didn't see this coming.
I know, and I didn't plan on it either. But every time I'm with you, everything just feels right.
This is a lot to process. I value our friendship so much, and I don't want things to get complicated.
I understand. I just couldn't keep it to myself any longer. I had to be honest with you.
It's not that I don't appreciate your honesty. It's just, I never thought about us like that. Can we take some time to figure things out?
Yeah, of course. I don't want to ruin what we have, but I needed you to know.
Hey, I wanted to tell you something.
Sure, what is it?
Well, I really like you very much.
Oh, really? That's nice to hear.
Yeah, I just enjoy being around you and talking to you. You make me happy.
Ah, that's sweet. I like spending time with you too.
Great. I was a bit nervous to say it, but I couldn't keep it to myself.
I'm glad you did. I like you a lot too.
Hey, I need your help with something.
Sure, what's up? You seem a bit uneasy.
Well, I've been facing a bit of a challenge at work. I'm working on this project, and it's more complicated than I initially thought. I'm not sure how to tackle it, and the deadline is looming.
I see. What specifically do you need help with? Maybe I can assist in some way.
That's the thing. I was wondering if you could lend me your expertise on the technical aspects. Your insights could really make a difference.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help. Let's set up a time to go through the details. We can brainstorm and come up with a plan to tackle the challenges together.
Thank you so much. I knew I could count on you. I've been stressing about this, and having your support means a lot to me.
No problem at all. We all face challenges, and it's great that you reached out. We'll work through it together, and I'm sure we can come up with a solid solution.
Hey, you know what? I've been thinking a lot lately
About what?
about proposing to my girlfriend. I want to make it special, you know?
That's awesome, man. What are you thinking?
Well, I was thinking of taking her to that park we both like, or we had our first date.
Nice choice. What's the plan?
I thought I could pack a picnic with her favorite snacks and then, pop the question.
That sounds really romantic. What about the ring?
Oh, I've got that covered. I found out her ring size and picked something I think she'll love.
Solid plan. How do you feel about it?
Excited but nervous. I hope she says yes.
She will, dude. You two are great together. Just be yourself, and it'll be perfect.
Thanks, man. I appreciate the support.
Hey, did you know my favorite color is blue?
Really? Blue is a nice color. What is it about blue that you love?
Well, it's hard to put into words, but there's just something so calming and soothing about it. It's like a deep breath for my eyes.
I get that. Blue does have this serene vibe. Is there a specific shade of blue that you prefer?
Oh, definitely. I'm all about that deep navy blue. It's like the color of the night sky right before it gets really dark.
Nice choice. Navy blue has a certain elegance to it. Do you have a lot of blue things in your life, like clothes or decor?
Oh, you bet! My wardrobe is practically a tribute to blue. And I've got this cozy blue blanket at home that I swear has magical relaxation powers.
A blue sanctuary. That's cool. Do you find yourself gravitating towards blue things without even realizing it?
Absolutely. I mean, it's not intentional, but somehow everything I love just happens to be blue. It's like blue has its own magnetic pull on me.
It sounds like blue is more than just a color for you, it's like a personal theme. Any particular memories or experiences that make you love blue even more?
Well, there's this one memory from a beach vacation. The deep blue of the ocean against the clear sky was just breathtaking. I think that's when my love for blue went to a whole new level.
That sounds amazing. Blue does have a way of leaving lasting impressions. Are there any colors you think pair exceptionally well with blue?
Hmm, tough question. I'd say white complements blue beautifully. It's like a classic combination that never gets old.
True, blue and white do have a timeless elegance. So, if you had to sum up your love for blue in one sentence, what would it be?
Blue is not just a color for me, it's a tranquil escape and a reminder of some of the best moments in life.